Hi friends, today in this video I'm going to talk about Power Query in Excel. Power Query is a very powerful business intelligence tool which is used to import data from different sources, and then you can clean that data, transform the data and reshape in your required reports. So let's see what exactly is the Power Query. For Power Query I'm using this example which is like sales data, and we have 3 years of data: 2019, 2020 and 2021. Let me show you the data. In 2019, this is basically the customer data, in which we have the customer code, representative, invoice number, date, account, customer name, quantity, CP, SP and net. I want to consolidate this data and make a pivot out of it. So generally people, what they do is they do a lot of manual tasks. They copy paste this data and then make a report out of it, which is not required. I'm just closing this sheet on a blank workbook, go to data, and this option, this is like written get and transform data. So this is basically the Power Query. I'll go to get data in from file. So many options are coming. One is from Excel workbook, from text, CSV, XML, PDF and so on. So I'm choosing from folder because my entire folder need to be consolidated. So I'll go to from folder and browse my folder, which is sales data. And once I click on open, it's going to show me this screen, which is showing me 2019, 20 and 21 file. There the button is coming combine, load, transform data. As I wish to combine, in combine again it will come combine and load, combine and transform data, and combine and load too. So I'm saying combine and load. It will take few seconds, and you will see it asks you in the next window which sheets you need to combine, because we can have the multiple sheets also. So in my case all are the sheet 1 which I want to combine, so I'll choose a sheet 1 and I'll click on OK. The queries have been processing. As it's the name suggested, it's a Power Query. It's evaluating from all the files the sheet 1, and you will see in few seconds my entire data came from, it's the column added named as source name, which has 2019, 20 and 21 data. So if you have lot of data, you can use the Power Query in this way. It has one more interesting feature, like suppose if I add now one more data. So I'm saying Control C and Control V, and I'm basically making this as 2022. So I've added one more sheet. So no need of doing the process again. You have to simply say data and you have to say refresh all. Once I say refreshed, you will see 2022 data is also there. So guys, now once you have all consolidated data, you can create a pivot or you can create any report. The data which came, it came in the tabular format. From here you can see table design and the query. Fine. So whenever you are going to make a data, it becomes a tabular format. So if you wish to remove the tabular, you have to say right click and you have to use the option table and convert to range. I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any question, please write in the comment section. Thank you guys.